welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, today I'm going to work. It's actually a weekday and it's cold here in Ghana, so I just got the urge to start vlogging this morning. So I'm not going to film me in the office, but I don't know. So let's go through the vlog. So first, outfit of the day. Office outfit of the day. I'm giving you guys a closer look. So guys, I'm on my way to work and I work in a village. That's where my work is located. And when I got the job here, I decided to rent an apartment here for convenience sake so that I can easily get to work and come back home. So I'm on my way to work. I live in a village, so every weekend I go to the city. So yeah guys, weather is we are in the rainy season actually, so it's beginning to rain and hence the long sleeve. I've already showed you my outfit, so when it gets to rainy season like this, I wear long sleeves. I personally wear long sleeves to work when it gets to rainy season. So that is me. So guys, I don't think I'll be filming whilst I'm in the office. It's actually a weekday. I only do that when I go to work on the weekends, and now I schooled on the weekends, so I'll see you guys when I get back home. So guys, I'm in the house from the office. I'm back from office and I'm washing my face with warm water to enable me apply some mask. So now I'm making a DIY face mask for oily skin. I love making it myself. I learned this from the internet. Now I'm applying it on my face. I'm using my hand because it's very small, and when I decide to use the brush, I think everything is going to just stuck in the brush, so I'm using my hand to apply it. Now see it on my face. Good morning guys, today is another day. Welcome to my morning devotion. I'm reading my Bible this morning. I just woke up from bed and I'm doing my morning devotion. So welcome to my morning devotion. to my breakfast. So let's make breakfast together.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now.
So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you to all my subscribers. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate you. I'm so much grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.